Hi, third grade. This is Miss Sumners. I want to show you how to complete some of your Google Classroom assignments and how to submit them. So we're logged in under a student's name who's in Miss Watkins' class. So you can see on their Clever page that they have Miss Watkins' page. If you are in Miss Sumner's class, you'll see her name. If you're in Miss Parker's class, you'll see hers. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to Google Classroom. Some of you may also know how to get here from your Gmail, but today we're going to be accessing it from our Clever page. We're going to click on Math, and we're going to scroll down to the very bottom to the assignment that says Day 2 Subtraction. So when you click on this assignment, you'll see up in the top right corner it says Your Work. You need to wait until you see your name show up in this box. So we're waiting a minute. I'm going to close out of that. Okay, the student's name is in the box, so we're going to click on the name. And this is our assignment, but we can't work on the assignment with it here. So we're going to go to the corner, the top right corner in the black part of the page, and click on the three dots. And we're going to go down to the second option, which is Open in New Window. And now it's circled what we need to do next in orange right here. We're going to click where it says Open With. And we're going to click on Google Slides, the second option down. We're going to wait for it to load. Sometimes it takes a little longer than others. Okay, so I am logged in on a desktop computer, but when you log in on your Chromebook, this page might be a little bit smaller and hard to see. If that is the case, you're going to go up below the X to the three dots. You're going to click on those, and you're going to go to where it says Zoom, and you see a number. If you will push the minus next to that until you get to about 75 or 67, this part of the screen where we're going to be working should be bigger and easier for you to read. Okay, so our next step, first you would click where it says Type Here, and you're going to type in your name. Once you've done that, you go over to the left-hand side and you're just going to click on the very next box. The box that you are working in is going to have this yellow background. So we're going to click on the next box. It's going to highlight that. And we're going to read the directions. On this page, there are several places for us to type in and put an answer. So we start with what is the sum of 78, 237, and 384. Directions. Complete part B to find the sum. Type your answer in the box. On a separate sheet of paper, you can do this addition problem. Once you find the sum, you're going to click where it says Enter Sum. You can highlight it or delete the words that are here, and you're going to type in the sum, the number that you came up with. Then notice how there's an arrow. It's circled that answer, and it's drawn an arrow over here. It's time for us to add our third add-in, so we're going to put our sum that we wrote here in these boxes. Then on a separate sheet of paper, you are going to do the addition problem again, and when you have that sum, you're going to enter it here. The last step is to take the sum that you entered here and to put it in the answer box, which says the sum of 78, 237, and 384 is, and here is where you type in your sum. So it's important to remember that in order to be able to do this work, you are going to have to go through the steps of clicking on your three dots, opening in a new page, opening it with Google Slides before you can do your work. I hope this helps you to be able to get your work done. Remember that if you are having problems, you can contact your teacher either through email or have your parents contact them on Class Dojo.